Unlike most fruits, the pineapple grows low to the ground, surrounded by a crown of sharp green leaves. Each pineapple begins its journey as a small plant with strong green leaves reaching toward the sunlight. As the plant matures, a fascinating cluster of flowers begins forming at its center. Those tiny flowers slowly combine to form the unique textured fruit we know as pineapple. Over time, each fruit becomes larger, heavier, and more distinct as it develops. As ripening begins, the green skin gradually transforms into a warm golden yellow. When the fruits reach their perfect color and size, the plantation is ready for harvest. From a small green plant to a golden tropical fruit, the pineapple's journey is truly remarkable.